This is Zavyar Yusuf Khan from Zavyar Production. And
Scene script. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your Python skills into profit? Well, you're about to find out just how versatile this language can be. Welcome to a world where your passion becomes your paycheck. First off, consider freelancing. As a Python developer, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can be your gold mines. You can build websites, applications, and automate tasks for clients, earning per project or hour. You can even specialize in data analysis, machine learning, or web scraping for a higher pay scale. Next, why not build and sell your own creations? Develop Python scripts and tools to solve common problems or automate tasks, and sell them to those in need. You can also create online courses or tutorials to teach Python skills, or publish open-source projects and monetize them through donations or subscriptions. Another avenue to explore is the data science field. Master data analysis tools like NumPy and Pandas with Python, and you can land high-paying data analyst or data scientist roles. You can consult with businesses to extract valuable insights and guide decision-making. And of course, there's web application development. Using frameworks like Django or Flask, you can build interactive and user-friendly web applications. Whether you work for a company or freelance, you can develop your own web-based businesses. Let's not forget about automation. Python can automate tedious tasks in your workflow, saving you valuable time and boosting productivity. You can even offer these automation services to businesses looking to streamline operations. If you're comfortable in front of the camera, consider building a YouTube channel. Share your Python knowledge through engaging tutorials and content, and monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Contributing to open-source projects is also a great way to gain valuable experience. It helps you network with other developers, learn from their expertise, and increase your visibility to potential employers or clients. Mobile application development is another lucrative field. Using frameworks like Kivy or PIQT, you can create engaging mobile applications and earn through downloads or in-app purchases. You can also explore the growing field of blockchain. Develop smart contracts and decentralized applications using Python libraries like Web3, Pi. This exciting world of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies can be a real game changer. Lastly, remember to invest in yourself. Continuously learn and update your Python skills to stay ahead of the curve. Pursue certifications and specialized training to enhance your value in the job market. The possibilities with Python are endless. With dedication and effort, Python can be your key to unlocking financial success. So unleash your creativity, explore your options, and embark on your journey to financial freedom with Python. As always, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep coding.